Climb inside the 2020 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, a power seat, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.